Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. Let's see here. Good morning, Gomer. Drop those GMs in chat. Scalp that like button. Pandas! Are we not the best traders on YouTube? Are we seriously not the best? No one does it better. Absolutely nobody. Okay, I think that's good. Good morning, my pandas. V1, you're late, panda. Okay, I'm sorry. Chandra, always late. All right, Okay, all right, okay. All right. Always late? All right, okay. Actually, maybe. Donald Smith, yesterday he didn't show up until 9:45. I mean, that was one day. That was one day. Moashi, good morning. Thanks for your support. Thanks for not complaining like all the rest. I appreciate it. Best guest trading, good morning. Buff Socks, good morning. Market about to open in a few seconds here, 10 seconds. No news today, Panda, so just be aware that we could be quite choppy until tomorrow. Wow. Pandas. Can I just tell you something right now if you haven't noticed already? We don't have any accounts showing right now. And the main reason being is because all our accounts, except one of them, turned to pro accounts or pro plus accounts. So now I have 4 pro plus accounts and 1 pro account. And I'm waiting for my accounts to turn to pro plus. It takes about a day. And that's why we are just trading with 1 account today. And the reason being is because they all hit $10,000 profits. So once you hit $10,000 profits, they automatically turn you to Pro Plus. So, yeah, we're gonna be trading 4 Pro Plus accounts soon, and that'll be interesting. I don't think it's that big of an issue. I don't know what I'm trying to do. I don't know if I'm gonna just crank it and see what happens. Maybe I might. Maybe I should just crank it. No, should I? I don't know. We'll see. I may do it. I may do it, but I will need a very good setup. I'm just scared because there's something about being pro plus makes it a little bit like scary to like go all in. But I don't know. Really, no difference though when it comes to pro plus or pro accounts. The problem with the Pro Plus account is that now I gotta go through all the shenanigans again in terms of building a buffer because we start with $0 in our balance, and you can withdraw actually whenever. It's kind of interesting. Um, which it's like it's an interesting feeling because basically you're whoa. All right, sorry. You're basically let's get a little bit more. Okay. Okay, popping back. Whoa!
Target.
What in tarnation is happening? What in actual tarnation is happening? We're just like falling like a rock right now. Look at the first 5-minute candle. We are falling like a rock right now. The daily chart. Jeez. Weekly chart? Okay. I guess I took it out a little too early. I don't know. I saw that reversal. I was like, are we gonna come back down? And come down we did. What is happening here? What a huge move to the downside. I mean, if you're gonna show me fireworks, I'll come along for the ride. I'll come along for the ride. If you show me some fireworks, I'll come along for the ride. Here we go. Second inch is short. Massive downtrend. Fails. We're failing here. Are we a little bit of follow through on a massive downtrend here? Not enough for me. I need at least 10 points. Give me at least 10 points here. Ooh, it's getting sketchy. It keeps showing reversals here. I'm not sure what's happening. Oh, wow. All right. Okay. 10 points not made yet. 10 points still struggling to be made. Just watching. 10 points made. Just enough for 10 points.
Target filled.
I'll take it. Whatever. I mean, we're just starting off with a bang. Second inch short. Oh, maybe I should go for my 1-to-1. That's really what I should have gone for. You know what? I pretty much went for a 1-to-1. I mean, more or less. Yeah, I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. Huge downtrend, pandas. Like, what else can I say? Wow. When was the last time you saw that on the 5-minute chart? That's the biggest candle we've had for days. Truly days, pandas. The first 5-minute candle today. What candle has been bigger than this in the last couple days? It's been days. It's been weeks. The last time we have a candle this big on the 5-minute chart. How far back we have to go? We haven't seen a candle like this large on the 5-minute chart for literally weeks. Weeks, pandas. Like, seriously, weeks. Oh, wow, second just short. I'm an idiot. I was so enamored by like how big that candle was. I just missed the setup straight up. I just missed a setup straight up, pandas. Ooh, I mean, lower high. I mean, you're thinking this will have some follow through, because that's a wild short right there. You think a little bit of follow through here now. Yikes! Now the risk is big. Probability high. Probability high. Came back to refill here. Whoa. All right, we're going for it. We're going for another push down, pandas. We're absolutely going for another push down here if we can get it. Okay, be patient. We were very patient. We're so incredibly patient on that trade. Wow. Incredible, pandas. So sick. I'm sitting on my pause for a little bit. 1 second. I'm like pretty certain we're gonna have some sort of follow through on the 5-minute chart. Like we're gonna have one more push down. Like with the candle that huge, it's been like weeks since we've seen a candle that large on the 5-minute chart. Weeks, I'm telling you. Another second inch short forming here. It's getting a little bit sideways now. I'm just so certain we're gonna have follow through on that 5-minute chart, pandas. Like some follow through. What's like, wow, I can't go short against this, but this is crazy. If this gets folded, we're in the most wildest times. That's crazy if this gets folded, pandas. If this gets folded on the 5-minute chart, that is absolutely wild. We're up 760. Let me see. Let me read a couple chats here. Donald Smith. Are you on the 500 tick chart? Yep, top right of your screen. You can see what chart I'm looking at. Let's see. Tate, good morning. Crank the Pro Plus. Just do it. Panda Statum, of course. Cranked. One of the weirdest movies I've ever seen, but yeah, very entertaining. Best guess trade says, so you made 10K with each and took out 8K from each? No. So I took 5.5 from each because I'm doing the 150K accounts, and so if there are 50K accounts, then yeah. But since there are 50K accounts, there are 150K accounts. The threshold's different. Instead of a 2,000 threshold, it's a 4,500 threshold. So you need to keep that as a buffer. So I pulled out 5.5K from each. Yeah, 5.5. So that's like 20K, not bad. A little more than 20K. 25K around. 24K. Buff socks. I hate loading in on my slow laptop. Yeah, get a new laptop. It's a investment worth making. Best guess trading thing is gonna retrace. It does have a lot of gaps to fill. There's a lot of gaps. Even right here, there's a gap to fill. That's not that far away. And we made a huge bear bar going right to it. Bob Sauce, I just need a payout. Just a quick payout. Just a quickie.
$2,500 tick trap.
V1, 1.2K each. I'm done. Congratulations.
2,500 tick trap.
So sick. Congratulations, V1. Just end it. Just go home. Just turn off the computer and relax. Frosty. Oh, I'm sorry. Good morning. I'm still going back and forth. My bad. There's so many things going on. Like the price action is kind of crazy right now. So I'm trying to read your chats, but at the same time, trying to read price action it's very difficult. I'll tell you that much. Jeez, pandas, what a move to the downside. Without follow through here, it's just crazy to me. Like I gotta try this. It's multiple bull bars in a row, but here we go. Multiple bull bars in a row, but we're gonna try. I mean, this could be a morning reversal as well. If it's a morning reversal, it is what it is, but jeez. If it's a morning reversal, it is what it is, isn't it? That's crazy. I'm gonna attempt this one contract here. About 20-point risk. Not even 20-point risk. Such a strong move down. Now we got a 50% retracement on the first 5-minute candle. Let's try. Good signal bar will be all we really need. That is the opposite of a good signal bar. It's actually a horrible signal bar. Morning reversal? Is that what was in order for today? Jeez, a huge push down, then just a V bottom type situation. Incredible, pandas. Look at this. You can't trade short against that. It's so sick. If anything, you're looking to go long. Wow. Incredible. We are bouncing top of this channel. I'll tell you that much. It's like a really good bounce off of it. And this channel, I think, is very, very confirmed. Right, 1, 2, 3-ish, 4, 5 hits, and then also the bottoms are matching as well. Right, when it's a parallel line. Whoo! What is happening here? Banned us. Um, let's see. Yeah, all my accounts turned to Pro Plus. So not all my accounts are. I have one account on TPT that's not Pro Plus, which is this account, and so we're just trading this one solo until I get 10K on this account and turn it to Pro Plus, or we also trade our Pro Plus accounts once they turn to Pro Plus. It takes about a day for them to convert, so we're just waiting for them. And right now, just yeah, just waiting for my accounts to turn to Pro Plus. So, but thankfully, we at least have one account here that is still okay. Lower high here, interesting. Um, I'm sitting on my pause. I don't know. Fail second entry long could be a good trade here. We did do like just such a perfect, immaculate bounce off the top of this channel that's been confirmed multiple times. A fail second entry long, I guess it's an order here, but jeez. I could try this. I could try. I don't know if we're going to get a setup here. V bottom, A top type situation. Very difficult to capture either of these moves, in my opinion. Lower high, good looking signal bar for a new low here. Most likely going to make a new low. Most likely going to make a new low. I just wish I had an entry. Any entry? No entries. No candles breaking above a previous candle's high. It's just making one leg down. Or two legs down. So I wanted to fail second entry long around here. But it just makes a beeline to make a new low. And unfortunately, I'm not partaking in this. And it is what it is. I will miss it. And life goes on, right? Life goes on. That's life. I guess I'll try this. I guess I'll try this. I don't know, for a couple points. Oh, get destroyed. Finally get an entry and just get absolutely destroyed there. What's my risk? 11 points, alright. Second entry short. We should try this as well. Coming off the 20 EMA would be best. No bounce off the 20 EMA. I will try here. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Interesting. I don't know. This feels right. This just feels right to be like in this area down here. But your feelings can be deceiving, you know what I mean? Just feels right to get this much. I don't know. Lower high. I would love it. Lower high. Going quite sideways now. Ain't it? Ain't it? They hate us because they ain't us. They only hate us because they ain't us. Lots of overlapping bars. Give me a nice snap to the downside. I would love that. It's a little snap, you know what I mean? A little snapperoo. Ooh, is that the snapperoo I was looking for? Everything has a retracement. It is just sick. Please no retracement here. Why? I'm out.
Target filled.
So many retracements. I'll just take it. We're up 635. Made up a little bit of what I lost here, but it's all good. Another second inch short maybe forming here, but lots of sideways. Maybe lower high. Maybe got out a little too early there. Yeah, obviously got out a little too early. Too many retracements for me. I don't know what's happening here. Just felt a little more sus. Every candle felt sus to me. I was so confident we were going to make a new low, right? A little bit of fall throughout the super strong bear bar. But diabolically, the 2500 tick chart does this nonsense here, which is just wild. Super strong bull bar and then it reverses. I mean, there was obviously institutions here trying to go short here, but hard to tell. And I wish we got the setup. I wish we got the setup around here. Failed second entry long somewhere in this area, but we didn't get it. Yeah, we didn't get it. Maybe I need I need another setup just in case we don't get the failed second entry long in situations like this. Like maybe just go in after two strong bear bars, just jump in. I felt like that's where people felt confident, right? After two strong bear bars, they felt confident to go short here, and even reloaded when it came back up. They peanut butter and jealous. I I mean, I guess that makes. I guess that works. Rohan, good morning. Peanut butter and jealous. You're peanut butter and jelly, aren't you? Second just short coming off the 20 MA. Are we still in a downtrend? Is a question. Yeah, why not? Why wouldn't we be in a downtrend still? Terrible signal bar here. Terrible signal bar here. But why wouldn't we be in a downtrend still? Signal bar is looking. Whoa! Darn it. Bad entry. Signal bar is real good now, but bad entry. Very good looking signal bar. I mean, if we're just a downtrend day, this could be a really good trade for us. It'll be nice. It'll be like a 1 to 2 trade. Very minimal risk in my opinion. Very strong move to the downside here. Hopefully we can just make that new low without trouble. I don't want trouble. You know what I mean, pandas? We want that new low. I mean, pandas can dream. New low? Hello? Hello, new low? No, that's not what I want. That's the exact opposite of what I want. Come back here.
Target filled.
That's the exact opposite of what I want. New low couldn't be created, and we're so close to it. That's the opposite of what I wanted. I did not want that to reverse like that. Now it's getting sus. Right now we're turning to trading range. Trading ranges here. It's exactly opposite of what I wanted. Just to snap back up like that. It shook me out. We had a decent trade going on there though. Decent bamboo, but I want a new low. But when we reverse up like that, I was like pretty certain to bring it stopped out, cause now it's getting sus. Like I almost want to go short where my stop loss would have been like right here. Like I want to go short here. Like this is where I got stopped out. I want to go short here now. Hopefully trading range of some sort. We'll scalp it. Hopefully trading range of some sort here. A little bit of trading ranges. Okay.
Target filled.
I'll take a small scalp there. When I do limit order trades, like scalping, I don't know if I can do more than scalping. It's just too hard for me. It's too scary. I was basically doing a 1-to-1 trade right there. 10 points. I'll take my 10. Now we're getting so sus here. It's just weird. Just weird. We're up 850. Not too shabby. Oh, they peanut butter and... Oh, is that also from that movie? I mean, the quote I made was also from that. I didn't realize that quote was also from that movie. Shows what I know. I remember the quote. I remember my quote because I felt like that was a little more memorable. They hate us because they ain't us. Why else calling the it's gonna shoot up? The epic is gonna shoot up call here. All right, the fact that it couldn't make that new low here made me very suspicious that this was gonna do anything. And wow, look at this reversal back up. I have no clue what's gonna happen today, Panis. Like this looks so strong. Like I want to go long now, but absolutely no entries to go long here. Let's extend this channel, shall we? Right, because we bounced off it already, like perfectly, pretty much. Perfect bounce. Yeah, that's crazy. Perfect bounce. But this move up to it so strong. I don't know. I didn't feel confident until this candle closed, and then we got two strong bull bars right after it. Alright, bamboozled here. I don't get bamboozled again here. Alright, took a fail second entry long, far away from the 20 EMA here. I took a trap. If I take the same, it'll be the same, similar trap. Okay, we do trigger the trap. If it goes up, it goes up. But you know, I basically got trapped here. Right, I got like I took a bad trap here. It just feels like a very similar trade as it was right here. Big push down, there's a small pullback. Big push up, small pullback. And it's looking sus right now. It might work out, but I'm just going to skip it. Push back down. Jeez, if we get another push back down here, this is just the downtrend of downtrends right now. It's such a healthy downtrend. Lots of pullbacks, so they're just grabbing all that liquidity to keep pushing down. It's great. Great for the bears, in my opinion. Great. Great for the bears. Bub Stocks, good morning. Bujul, good morning. Jamil, good morning. Welcome back. I haven't seen you in a while. Hope you've been well. Okay, another push up off the 20 EMA. That's a better long than this long here, but bad signal bar. But it is coming off the 20. Now that's a good entry bar. The higher low here could be a decent trade. Wait, a higher low here at this point will be a second entry long. Will the market actually give it to us? Hmm. 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 Huh. Uh-huh. What do we do here, pandas? Sit on our paws? Or get a little eager here? Lots of overlapping bars right here. Crazy. Crazy, 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 crazy. Second entry long, pandas. Is this not too hard to pass? Isn't this too hard to pass up here? I don't want an outside bar reversal. This is too hard to pass up for me, I think. Yeah, outside bar reversal, unfortunately. This could launch. This could rocket up. It could rocket up here. Outside bar reversal. That's why we skip them, pandas. That's why we skip them. That's why we skip them. Goodness gracious. Another bounce off our channel here. I mean, are we just gonna go short off this channel again? Because that's I should just sell limit orders right at the top, right at this channel, the top of this channel here. This channel is very, very confirmed. 1, 2, 3-ish, 4, 5, 6 hits now. And the bottoms are matching. So sick. Crazy, 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 crazy. Good thing I didn't take that long.
2,500 tick trap.
I lost that trade right there. I guess I have to, right? If you give it to me here, I'll have to. I have to try. I have to try. Failed second entry long. I have to try it. Coming off of our trend line once again.
2,500 tick trap.
Very rare that this happens. Very rare that the market just second entry short on the 2,500 tick chart. All right, pandas. I don't know. I'm gonna go for it here. I think I'm gonna go for a couple. Let's go for 4. We might come out break even today. We'll see. We're in this trade. I am gonna hold this, pandas. Like, we're gonna try here. We're absolutely gonna try it. A bounce off this trend line once again. Second entry short on the higher time frames. Fail second entry long on the lower time frames. We're absolutely gonna try this here. Continue the downtrend. Big bear bar ending on its low. Absolutely gets folded though when it's finished. It's not a good sign for me. It's a very bad sign for me, in fact. Okay, good sign here. Big push down. Give me a little bit of follow through on that, please. Trap. Give me a little bit of follow through on that, please. Ah, jeez. Jeez, pandas. We lose this, huh? Did we lose this one? Pandas. I'm holding. Hold. Holy pandas, this one is scary. We're holding it though, pandas. Hold. 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 Pandas. Hold. Pandas. Pandas. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, I knew it. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa. No. Wow, had such a good trade there going on. It is just reversing on me, breaking my neck. Absolutely. Could have came out break even again, but I mean, did we hold? We held for this long. Hold? What is happening, pandas? Hold! Hold! Pandas! Hold! Please don't come back up. How many times are you going to retrace on me? Just how many times are you going to actually retrace on me? Pandas! What is going on? What just happened? Like, pandas. That was like a primo trade and it just would not go. I gave it so many chances, even retraced all the way back up here, pandas. I don't even know what's happening. Now we're moving? Now we're gonna make the move? Is that what's happening here? My goodness, pandas! All right, I got shook. I admit it. My hands were not strong enough. My little teeny panda paws could not hold onto that rodeo, onto that bronco. It shook me off. And if it goes, that's just the price I pay for having these Weak paper pause. What in the world was that nonsense? That was absolutely crazy. I mean, I'm fine letting this
500
go
tick
now
trap.
because this is taking way too long for my move to happen. And now it's like 50-50. Now it's 50-50 here. Yikes. Yikes. Oh wow, yikes. This is treacherous here. Truly treacherous. Pure trading range. Like some of the purest trading range I've seen in a long time. That is wild. That is crazy. Wow. I mean, I held as long as I could. This could work. I don't know. I don't know. Yikes. Yikes. You lose that trade, Pandas. You absolutely lose that trade there. Wow. So sick. You lose that trade. Wow, what shenanigan. I mean, we got the perfect bounce off of this trend line, the perfect setup for it as well. With confluence, with a second entry short here on the 2500 tick chart, 5-minute chart. We actually triggered the trap here as well with the bear bar. Man, that is very, 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 very unfortunate. But that's why sometimes it's okay to get shooken out. But man, oh man, what a trade to lose. That is wild. Whoo, had a lot of things going for you to go short. I was in 4 contracts. I was heavy in that one too. I was heavy. I was pretty heavy. How many points? The lowest point? It's 13 points. I think I'm fine just coming out break even on that trade because you would want way more than that on that trade. All right, if you get a setup like that, you would want way more, way, 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 way more. Pandas. The panda not receive my yo long signal. The YOLO long. The yo long. It's pretty funny. Not bad. I mean, when I saw this, Pandas, when I saw this, I thought we found it. I thought we struck gold. And that turns to fool's gold very quickly. After like 3 retracements, I'm just like, I'm out. I don't know what's happening. It's 50-50 at this point. Too hard. I mean, we were right on this trend line. It's just felt like the most reasonable trade to take. Coming off that trend line like that. Just so much confluence. A plus setup, perhaps even. It's enough to make 10 points, but with a setup like that, you want more. You want more than that. Jeez Louise. I mean, we're up 850. Not too shabby. I mean, we could have been just absolutely chopped here. We're up 850. It is what it is. I'm gonna go long here actually because of the shenanigans. We're gonna go a little bit long here. Let's go a little bit long. Just kidding. Just kidding. There you go. Pandas. Wait till it bounces off of support. I was gonna go long here, but it reversed like so quickly. Second entry long here. Might still work out. Keeps popping its ugly little head. Wow, that shenanigans was too much, and it feels like because that we should have gone down there like so strong, we're gonna reverse strong back the other way. That's why I'm eager to go long here. I might have missed my trade, but I'm okay. I'm okay missing this one. It's a little sus. Right at the previous day's low, and it can act as a resistance. Surely can. It obviously is. I mean, there was a little profit taking here, but ultimately just pushes up. Actually, very confusing now. I see. I see. I'll try here. Lots of overlapping bars, though. Pandas. Convention says you should wait. Balancing out the 20 EMA. I think I'm interested here. No, actually, no, I'm not interested. We actually bounced off this area here. Wow, strong bull bar. What kind of shenanigans are we looking at here? It's a bear bar, but I'm gonna reload historical. Let's just do it for funsies. Pandas, I'm not sure what's happening here. Pandas, just in case you guys missed it, all my TPT accounts except this one turned to Pro Plus accounts, and so we have four Pro Plus accounts, and the reason why I'm only trading one, this account right here, this is the one account that didn't turn Pro Plus yet, is because it takes about a day for your accounts to convert, so they're not ready yet. But thankfully, I still have this account to play with, and we are trying to get this account now to Pro Plus. And the reason why my account's turned to Pro Plus is because I'm the best trader on YouTube. I mean, it's just facts. I'm kidding, of course. Actually, I'm not kidding. I am the best trader on YouTube. I believe it. I absolutely believe it because, Pandas, you've seen every single trade. Like, let me go back to this. I am the most profitable. I'm the best verified trader on YouTube. Let's just say that. Every trade recorded, streamed live for you guys to see, making hundreds of thousands of dollars. Hundreds of thousands of dollars this year. That's why next year we're aiming for a mil. We got over $200,000 this year. This year or next year, we're definitely aiming for a mil. I mean, this year's not even over yet. We still got 4 months left. Still got 4 months, Pandas. We're just getting started. Seriously. Things are about to get interesting now. Things are about to get... Enter year 5 next year. Things are just about to start getting interesting. Things are about to get interesting on this channel, Pandas. Year 5. 5-year trader now. You know things are about to get interesting on year 5. Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. I think year 5 is when you develop an ultra instinct. You start to develop some spidey senses and some intuitions. It feels like it takes about 5 years for those intuitions to actually for the price action to affect your intuitions. Pandas. Pandas. Mrs. Pandas dropped off some delicious coffee here. I'm on keto, so Mrs. Panda, being the amazing panda that she is, made her own cashew milk for me. She milked cashews, made cashew milk for me because that's keto milk. Like regular milk's not keto, so much sugar in it. And even made a allulose syrup, so it's just 0 sugars in my coffee, but still a delightful treat. You know what I mean, Pandas? How's that possible? I've already hit the jackpot. Forget about trading. I've already hit the jackpot with Mrs. Panda. Goodness gracious. Panda trading since 2020. Yeah, the YouTube channel started 2020. I started really trading probably late 2020. So I'm gonna say 2026 is just gonna be my 5th year. 100% guaranteed she's nearby. That's why you're saying that for. Actually, no, I'm actually really like look at this. Look at this. Inside, outside, outside, inside. Wow. What the heck is happening here? It's gross. Ooh, second entry short on the 5-minute chart. Ah. I don't love this, pandas. I actually don't love it. I don't like the price action lead up. It feels like buyers beneath these wicks here. Doesn't quite touch the 20 EMA as well. It's a sus trade, in my opinion. And if we're drawing this trend line, we don't have much room down to it, so I don't know. Wiles is 100% guaranteed. That's a high percentage. It's actually funny. She was not in the room, by the way. We have like a rule, not a rule, but like a principle in our relationship that in front of others we always speak highly of each other. In front of others. I know like a lot of couples that just bash each other in front of other people, and that's like I think it's like fun for them, or that's just how they are. But just kind of like a way that we keep respect for each other. It's always speak highly of each other in front of others, especially. That's kind of a mantra that we have in our marriage. You know what I mean, Bandus? I'm just like, it's just like too many couples I know that just like, especially when people are not around, or if the spouse is not around, they just just absolutely bash their spouse, and it's just so toxic. And it gives you the right mindset as well. And, and the thing is, as humans, you have to practice it. It doesn't come naturally. It doesn't actually come naturally. You actually have to practice that, which is so sad, right? You have to practice like speaking well of others, but that's just what it is, pandas. That's life. I'll try this, but it's super small risk, so not much to lose here, but I don't feel good about it at all. It could be great, so I'm taking it, right? Coming off the previous week's low, and feels like entry long, basically breaking this trend line now. I don't feel great about it. It looks okay right now, actually. It could be an amazing trade. Very small risk. We'll hold. Doesn't get much further than that. I'd like to hold a little bit more than that. At least maybe a 1 to 2. Got close. We'll try take the 1 to 2. If we don't get it, we don't get it. We'll move on. Next trade. Almost a 1 to 2. So you're starting to show signs of susness. I'll come out at 1 to 1. Yeah. We'll come out 1 to 1. It's starting to show signs of susness.
Target filled.
And then we'll come out break even here. 1 to 1. It's just bull bar. I don't like that. Any bull bar in this downtrend, it's no reason for it. We make the 1 to 2, unfortunately. A little too late, though, for me. Could be a good trade here. Could be a real good trade here. Goodness gracious. Super small risk. You gotta love trades like that, where the risk is virtually nothing. The risk was virtually nothing on this trade. Bouncing off the previous week's low after breaking through it. Could be an amazing trade here. Hopefully we get more than this. We shall see. I don't know. We'll just lower this here. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Second entry short on the 5-minute chart, which also could mean a new low here, right? Could actually just mean a new low here. The question is, can we make that new low before retracing and taking me out? That's the question. Look at this retracement. It's so sick. Decent push down. I'm just holding. I don't have much to lose here. I don't think I have much to lose here. I think I have way more to gain than to lose. Just the smallest, teeniest risk here. That's absolutely incredible. It takes me out, takes me out. It's just not meant to be. It was just not meant to be, pandas. Yeah, it's not meant to be. We're almost 1,000 though. I'll take it. Whatever. It takes me out. It just was not meant to be, pandas. Look at this. Bear bar ending on low. Just gets folded. I thought some follow through would ensue, but apparently not. Just apparently not. Seriously. Now the price action is getting very, very sus. I left 100 on the table. It's all good. Bob says blink twice if there's a knife in your mouth. Wild, does she call you a great trader? I huh. I don't know. I don't think so. To be honest, if you haven't noticed, I'm very like private, and hence the panda face. Like my friends don't know that I do this, and I kind of don't want them to know. So, does she call me great trader in front of like other people? Well, no, because we don't talk about it. Like, are you never noticed? Like, I know. You might be like wondering like how in the world is he? Could you do this without telling your friends? But yeah, I literally do this, and none of my friends know I do this, and it's kind of nice because it's like if they knew how much money I made, then I feel like their view of me would change. Maybe a lot of you guys might think the view would be a positive, it would change to something positive, but knowing people usually, if you show yourself to be, you know, those people who have less money than you, they're going to be jealous, right? They'll just develop jealousy for you and maybe despise you because of it. Those who have more money than you, they don't care how much money you make. So it's just like, what's the point of telling people how much money you have? In my opinion, just enjoy it for yourself, enjoy it for your family. Like your family should enjoy it, unless you're giving like money away to all your friends or something. But at that point, then maybe your friends are just using you for your money. And so it's like, what's the point, right? At the end, if you are successful financially, then it's better just to enjoy it. Imagine if Bujol was actually your real life friend. What are you hinting at here? Second, just short. This is nasty. The market's getting very tricky. At this point, honestly, I think I would stop trading. I feel like we're getting set up to lose the trade here very, very soon. This is not looking pretty. Lots of overlapping bars. Right. This is a second just short coming off two key areas, but look at the current price action. There's so many overlapping bars. It's turning to a trading range, or starting to turn to a limit order market. And even this trap is sus, in my opinion. Even this trap is sus. If we're to deter. All right, look at this. Comes back up, comes all the way back down. Now just clearly creating trading range here. So sick. Jamil says, my plan is to tell people I just work from home in customer service and just watch everyone be confused for the rest of their lives. You know, the thing is, like, you don't tell people that you're rich, but there will be signs. Jamil is like, yeah, I work customer service, and she's walking around with like a Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton bag, Louis Vuitton slippers. Driving in a Mercedes. Like, yeah, I just do customer service. But there will be signs. You know what I mean? That's the thing. Just like being undercover rich. Silent rich. And look at the shenanigans here. How many overlapping bars can we have? This is where you just sit on your pause. And it could be like this for the next 30 minutes or so. Like, honestly, I would just leave at this point because I can tell the market's getting very confused. Like, the market should have done certain things, but it hasn't done it yet. Ooh, okay. Maybe it's sooner than I thought. Maybe push down here. That failed trap actually pushing down. But so many overlapping bars felt confusing to me. The timing on that was incredibly difficult to jump in on this short. Okay. Surprisingly, pandas, my stop loss on this trade would have been up here. I would actually still be in this trade, even after all the shenanigans. Right? We haven't even taken out this stop loss yet. Pretty sick. Pretty sick. Tate. Tate. That's funny. He's like, the poorest OF content creator ever. This is a dumb trade. You know what? I'm getting myself staring at the charts. I feel my EV getting sapped away from me. I feel like my gains are going to start getting away from me. Just staring at this chart right now. Right, it's like it's juking me out. It's giving me a strong push down, but then no follow through. It's juking me out here. Whoo! Okay, it feels like entry long does push down here a little bit. I could try. This is a really bad trade. Give me a lower high, I might be interested, but I've got an OI pattern on the 5-minute chart, which could give us some good bamboo here. I like this OI pattern, but I just need an entry. Now it's hard to get in here. These 2 bear bars, I think was enough for people to come in. Okay. Curious? Curious? All right. Shall we? Breakout retest, that's what I'm seeing this as, lower high. Okay, we're in this trade. We are committed here. Bear bar any on its low. You gotta love that. Another bear bar any on its low. Nope. I was gonna enter more here, scale in. But we didn't get it. We didn't get a bear bar any on its low. We just got a doji bar. Still bearish, but just doji. Okay, just watching. Okay. If you say so.
Target filled.
Easy peasy. Easy capeasy. What a move. 5 minutes. Second inch is short. Just looking for a new low now. So sick. So sick. What a move. What a move. What? I'm just scalping here. I'm just scalping here, pandas. I'm a 14-15, pandas. Ha! Bob Stocks, you got this, man. Just remember, Bob Stocks needs a new laptop. Are you copying my trades or something? I don't know what you're doing. But look at the 5-minute made an OI pattern. It's just a 1-to-1 on it. That's what I was aiming for. Ends up making a 1-to-2 plus more. Makes a new low. This is disgusting, pandas. This is a downtrend. We are in a super strong downtrend day today. In fact, we double top it here. A lower high double top. Super good setup. Wow. All right. Just pure shenanigans right here. That's the problem. Right there was shenanigans. This made me a little bit confused. It was uncertain what it wanted to do here. Ultimately, coming off our trend line, right? The trend line was made from these two pivots. Whoops. Made from these pivots here. That's why I made this trend line. I hit it again right here. 20 EMA, 240 SMA. Second inch short, lower high. This is such a strong push down. This is crazy. Such a strong push down. I think it's obviously going to test the week's low here. It's just going to be an easy target. I don't think there's much stopping it. We do got a wedge on the 5-minute chart, but I do not know if it's going to last. Right, we've got 3 pushes down. That's a wedge. Could reverse here, but I think if it wedges off of the previous week's low, then maybe I look for reversal, but currently my target is the previous week's low. Super strong bear bar ending on its low 5-minute chart. Gets folded immediately. Man, every bear bar gets folded. That's the issue here on the 5-minute chart. Big bear bar gets folded. Big bear bar gets folded. Big bear bar getting folded. So sick. Like, that is crazy just to go long at the close of that bar for me. Very difficult for me to do stuff like that. I'm just not, especially when I feel like now's a downtrend day. I'm gonna try. I'm trying here, pandas. I think I missed it. If it does come back up, we gotta get the second just short. If it does come back up at this point, second just short. Yeah, I missed it. Big move down. I'm just in this. I'm just going to try to go short here. I'm just going to try to go short here now. Almost no setup. It's just bare bars. I just went short. I could get punished for this, but Panda's like, seriously, this is such a strong downtrend. I could get punished for this. Oh, almost hits my target. We'll come up break even here. I don't mind. The fact that I was making any money at all on this trade is a miracle for me. We just went short just because. Maybe come up break even here, which is unfortunate. All right, come up break even. It's okay. I think there's a setup here waiting for us though to go short. Oh, pans, like I said, every bear bar gets folded here. So difficult. I thought we'd have follow through. After that bar. Getting incredibly folded here. Big move down. Just equally strong move back up. Getting very confusing here. Incredible. I thought we were gonna make a beeline not fill a gap, but come to the previous week's low. I thought we were gonna make a beeline to it. Obviously not. But I wasn't expecting this to happen. After this bear bar ending on its low, I was not expecting the next bar to look like this. Even stronger than this bear bar. It's absolutely folded here like a piece of paper. Like a piece of paper, man. It's like a paper. So sick. What in the world? Trading range. I gotta try. Ah, too late. Folded, 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 folded. This is an accordion right now. Market's a straight up accordion. We're up 14-15. I'm happy with that today. I wish it was across all my accounts, but it's only on one account. It's on my one account that has not yet reached the $10,000 um, profit profit mark. It's not even a target or a goal. It's just $10,000 profit mark, I guess. And that turns into, it makes your accounts automatically turn to Pro Plus. Like I said, we're waiting for accounts to turn Pro Plus. So we're trading one account today. I mean, 14-15. It's not bad bamboo, even on one day. I mean, I don't know what profession you have, but making 14, like $1,415 in one day, that's quite nice. Quite nice. Quite nice.
$2,500 tick trap.
This is crazy. I want to go short here. I actually want to go short here. The 5-minute wedge may play out. I just kind of wish it touched the. Well, I don't have the prior OA. Okay, I don't know. I don't have the weekly OHLC here. 1 second. Let me add it. It's important. Crazy. Crazy, 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 crazy. Look at this limit order market. Unable to break a previous candle's
2,500
high.
tick trap.
Big bear bar ending on its low. Literally on its low. On the 2500 tick chart. But look at this candle literally ending on its low and gets folded. Like, it scares me. What if this gets folded? I'm not really expecting follow through right now on any bars. Okay. What a push. But look at this pattern being developed here. It is diabolical. The expanding pattern near the key area. It is diabolical. It is diabolical right now. This expanding pattern. It's going to make it, I feel like, difficult to actually touch this now because of that. Just watching. Just watching. What the heck is this, pandas? Ah, it's trickling. I mean, should I do the dive? Should I join in? I mean, should I just, if he can't beat him, join him type situation here. If he can't beat him, join him. If you can't beat him, join him. You know what I mean? If you can't beat him, join him. If you can't join him, beat him. I have no idea what's happening here. I thought we were just gonna limit order all the way down. I guess not. I guess this wanted to reverse here. I don't know. I thought we wanted to limit order all the way back down. I don't know. Pretty strong bear bar, but every bar getting folded here. So why am I even surprised that we are struggling to push down after coming one scale in? Should I? Not even worth, is it? Why did I do this to myself? I had good bamboo today too. I had real good bamboo today too. Why did I do this to myself? Hey! 10-point loss. It's just pure limit order market, either this way or this way. Jeez. Thinking about scaling in once, but not worth. All right, I take one more trade. I'll risk another 200 here. Right, I'll be happy with $1,000 profit. Don't mind if I do. What in the world? I mean, whatever. If you don't want to come here, it is what it is. If you don't actually want to touch this area, it is what it is. Reverses here. Could be a big reversal. It can just reverse here, like before even touching the area. I thought it'd be a magnet for us, but it is like a magnet, but it's repelling. The magnet is facing the same way here, and it's actually just repelling each other. Do I want to hold beyond this high? That's a question. I don't think I want to really hold beyond this high. Oh, eye pattern here. Lower high here. I don't really get what I want.
Target filled.
I didn't really get what I wanted. It happens after. Hey, it's okay. I think it's too sus. It ends up hitting it anyways. So obvious it was gonna do that, but pandas, it just got so sus. We'll take it. Up 1,300, and yeah, it is what it is. I think now at this point, my mental capital, just even taking this trade here, just showing itself to be kind of depleted. So I think we're gonna call it there. Pandas. One more trade. Yikes. That's a trade I wanted though. Just crushing the previous week's low, huh? I don't think it'll last that long, but we're up 300. All right, I'll have a hard stop at 1,000. At 1,000. Hard stop at 1,000 here. I don't know if this is the trade though. I don't know if this is the trade that we're looking for though. I don't know if this is the one. Is this the one that we want to put it on? I'm gonna have to say no here. Resounding no. Okay, we end the stream if we make a new low here. We end the stream if we make a new low here.
2,500 tick trap.
We end the stream if we make a new low. Oh, terrible signal bar. Not as terrible. It kind of just feels like it's done here. Like I just want to test this area and people are taking profits. Double key area, second entry short. Downtrend. Breakout retest. We got 3 key areas here to work with. We're going for it. Terrible signal bar. Now we're getting above our key areas. At this point, we're looking for a reversal now. Feels like I just short. No, now it's a good signal bar. Now it's a good looking signal bar. What in the world? All right, we'll try one time. Last trade of stream, win or lose. Last trade of stream, win or lose here. Okay, could be a big reversal. I don't know. It's trickling. It's doing more of a trickling than an actual reversal, strong reversal breakout. It's doing more of like a little trickle, you know what I mean, pandas? And I don't know if I like a trickle when I need a strong move. This is more of a little trickle tickle, you know what I mean? It's a little trickle tickle. All right, we'll get out. Okay, at this point,
2,500
all
tick
right,
trap.
we lose. All right, win or lose. That was the last trade. Up 940. Not the worst, not the best, but I'll take it.
2,500 tick trap.
It was a little trickle, little tinkle. It was just tinkling upwards. You know what I mean? That's never a good sign when you want like a strong move. The little teeny trickle tickle. But V1 says little by little you trip over all your profit. You know what? I had a hard stop. I said $1,000. We're good with that. I think I can risk that 300, and we'll walk away with 1,000 today. But potentially could have been, you know, we could have had like a $2,000 day today with this move. But it's all good. Frost. Oh, Panda, you planning to be a full-time trader? I'll answer this question on the stream. I told myself if I make $1 million, if I make 1 milli, 1 milli, pandas. If I complete a road to $1 million challenge, I will become a full-time trader. If I do a road to $1 million challenge and I complete it, I will become a full-time. I'll start transition to full-time trading. $1 million, pandas. If I can make $1 million, I will start transitioning. Not my gender, but my job. I will start to become a full-time trader. That is just me. That's my goal. I told myself I will become a full-time trader. The only way I'll do it is if I make considerably a lot more money than my actual full-time. And the mill is considerably a lot more. And yeah, that's just what it is. What can I say? It is what it is. Charles Wilson coming out of the woods. Face reveal? I don't know if mill is enough to do a face reveal. I think for me, face reveal will happen if I get a certain amount of followers. I said 100,000, but yeah, we'll see. At this point, do you guys even want to see my face? Don't you guys like the panda? What are you talking about? I do a face reveal every day. This is my face. All right, we're gonna walk with 1,000 today. I'm not gonna trade anymore. This is like I can already tell my mental capital is a little bit shot here. Got a second just short forming. Do I like it? I mean, we're just a strong downtrend. I'm curious to see. I'm curious to see here. We're beneath like these key areas now, so I don't know if I really want a reversal here.
2,500 tick trap.
It's a bad signal bar. You kind of have this little pop up. You need like a new high maybe here. Second just short, but more sideways than anything. Second short does trigger. If it makes a new low, I think we're done. Curious to see what happens here. We do make a fail second just short here, but very ugly way. Very ugly way here. Anything is choppy more than anything else. Choppy, double bottom though here. Okay, just watching. Is the downtrend done? I don't know. I feel like this uptrend is done here. Wow. Okay. That works. Micro triple bottom. The problem is we're beneath this key area. If we're above the key area like we were here, this setup is better than this setup in my opinion. I don't know. I'm not entirely sure.
2,500 tick trap.
4 pushes up? Wow. Pure limit order price action. Alright, last trade. Here we go. Ooh, okay, now we're popping up. Wedge on the 5-minute chart, perhaps. Playing out now, right? 3 pushes down. Reversal off a key area, perhaps. So choppy. And maybe turning to limit trading range here. I'm thinking maybe I'll take one more trade. We'll just come out break even today. If there is a setup here. I think there might be one. Very choppy though. We're going to continue this downtrend or we're going to reverse a little bit here. A little pullback. Surprisingly enough, the 5-minute has not yet touched the 20 EMA yet today. It's about 99.9999% chance we will touch it. It's not guaranteed. There was one day this year that we actually did not test the 20 EMA, at least on the EMINI. What's this? The ES is diabolical here. It looks very different. The ES looks very different than the NAS. 5 pushes up. This is sick. It is just grinding to the upside here. So sick here. It's full-blown reversal, maybe. Major trend reversal. Really hard to tell, in my opinion. Absolute diabolical right now. Lower low and a higher high. Diabolical. Whew. Believe it or not, on the 5-minute chart, this is the first pullback we've had on this second leg down. Ooh-wee. As you notice, there is an OI pattern here. I like to take OIs with trend. This OI pattern actually breaks to the upside in a downtrend, which is why I don't like these. I don't like taking these. Ooh, big bear bar ending on its low with follow through. A little bit of follow through. Well, let's see. Halfway of this trading range comes back down to it, retraces. Are we still viable for a big reversal here? Possibly. 2 bear bars in a row. Usually bulls give up here. Bears get a little excited at this point. Three bear bars in a row now. Four bear bars in a row now. I guess I missed my chance just to go short right there. Interesting. I typically will never take that trade to go short, but Double top here now. On this massive downtrend, we got a double top here. Question is, are we going to turn to a trading range or we're going to break through here? This feels a little overextended now to break through. Typically what happens if you want to break through is you test the bottom and it retraces about halfway and then pushes down again. Usually what happens like that. You usually don't break through when you have a strong move down here. You usually just don't break through because at that point it's a little exhausted. But who knows? There's always exceptions. This could break through here. Strong bear bar ending on its low on the 2500 tick chart. Woo! I mean, I can be wrong here. This could just be smashing to the downside. Double top here. Your measure move. That's your one-to-one. I hate this trade. I actually hate this trade, and I hate myself doing it. But I'm going to attempt it anyways. I hate myself attempting this, but I'm going to do it anyways. Okay. Don't get filled. Instead, it goes right through my order. I don't want to retrace back up because if it retraces at this point, it's probably a bad trade. 2 bear bars in a row. Retraced. All right. Here we go. Snaps down a little bit. Snaps down a little bit. Can I get a little more than that, please? Before retracement. I guess not. I guess so.
Target.
I'll take it, Panis. I'll take it. The one-to-one was made on the measure move of this trading range. Confirmation for me was a strong bear bar ending on its low on the 5-minute chart. So I was looking for follow-through. And we're just way below any supports. Like, there's no supports below us. It's just nothing stopping us from really pushing down. The 5-minute has lots of gaps. There's a clear gap right here that I think needs to be filled. Clear gap right here. I may just start taking wow. Any retracements I'll take. I'll take all first entries down to this gap fill. I'll take first entries here. I'll scale in a little bit. If I was like a deep pullback, I'll scale in once or twice. As long as we don't have like 2 strong bull bars above the 20 MA. I'll keep scaling to go short here. And this is how you bust your accounts. Trust me. Mm-hmm. Ooh, okay. Big bull bar here. Okay. I told myself I'll get out at 2 bull bars. Yeah, 2 strong bull bars. I think I'm out.
Target filled.
I'll take the hit. 2 strong bull bars above the 20 MA. There's no reason to play around here. Whoo! Clear target beneath. Makes an incredible beeline to it. But the 2 strong bull bars above the 20 MA is what spooked me here. In fact, I'll take a reversal here at this point. Right, like I shouldn't be doing that. It really shouldn't be doing that right here. The fact that it just did this is just, it's weird to me. So we're gonna try to reverse it here. The fact that it bounced like this, it's a little strange to me. Like I feel like we're gonna have a big reversal here. Just imagine like if you were scaling in here and you saw this happen. That would spook me, you know, and I would start reversing my position. If I like kept scaling in, I saw this happen, which is exactly what I'm doing actually, right? Like it spooked me, these 2 strong bull bars, and now like I'm reversing my position because imagine if you're going still going short here and you see this. It's quite devastating. But hey, I could get crushed here, who knows? Small risk for decent trade here in my opinion. Okay, reversing, could get stopped out here now. Could be a strong push back down. I mean, if this trap fails, it could obviously hit my target now at the bottom. Let's see. Hold. Hold. Such a small risk. I'm willing to lose this. Such a small risk here. Okay, does break the previous candle's high. 4 pushes up. Give me a strong bull bar. It's not as good as I want. It's trickling again, right? Tinkling upwards. Tinkling upwards right now. Just tinkling upwards. It's the last thing you want to see when you want a strong reversal breakout. Yep, that's the last thing you want to see. All right, let's try this once again. We're looking for a short trade now, one more time. Where can we find it? We're going to try to hit this gap here. I think one obvious trade will be the break of this low. I will go short here. That will be an obvious trade for me. This is a bit confusing now. After the 2 strong bull bars with the fail second to short, I was thinking it's time to reverse it, but apparently not everyone else thought that. It's confusing now. Lower high here, maybe. We don't see the P&L today? Yeah, P&L should be there. Bottom right. Oh, you mean for my other accounts? I explained it earlier, but all my other accounts are turning to Pro Plus. So I don't have I can't trade them because it takes about a day to convert them. But I do have one Pro account that has not turned to Pro Plus yet. And this is the account I'm trading. So we're only trading one account. I don't love this. This is a lot of overlapping bars here. I don't love this. I think we'll just wait. I'm in no rush here. This is such a strong move back up. Yeah. Not sure what's happening here, but it's very confusing. Trap fails, but then it just does this. Wild. Okay, whatever. Truly disgusting price action currently. Is this accumulating or distributing here? It's a hard one to answer. My guess is distributing, but we're above the 20 in May, so it could be accumulating. Just pure chop right now. This market is chopped, so is the price action is chopped. My P&L, 535. Not the worst even with 535. I think I'm taking reasonable risk here for potential really good gains. My last trade will be this. Third entry. Sorry. I failed second entry long here. We're going to take out 2 and we're going to add more as we go down. Doji bar. Confusion. Clearly above the 20 May here.
5-minute trap.
Okay, rips right through my order. Will it fill me? Will it fill me? Okay, it does fill me. Usually that's a bad sign. Usually it's a bad sign. If it comes backwards and fills you up. Clear target beneath. Let's see if we get it. If we don't get it, we don't get it. And I might be a little red today, which is fine. I don't mind having red days every once in a while. In my opinion, this makes sense to me, this trade. So we're going to attempt it here. I don't like how it's coming back into this trading range. It can come back to the top, take my runners, or take my stop loss, hump my stop loss, and then push back down. Happens all the time in trading ranges. Which is why I hate trading ranges. Relatively small risk, though, for this trade. 20 point. 20 points. Pushing down. Pushing down good. Pushing down real good here. Showing bull bar. 2 pushes down. This could be the end of this trade. It's fine. We'll be a little red today. It's up 1,500, now down like 3, maybe down like 300. Unfortunate. Yeah, I'm out here. I'm dead. Very high chance I'm dead here on this trade. Very high chance I'm dead on this trade. Like super high chance. I can hold it to the first 5 minute. This 5 minute candle is done, but pretty much think I'm dead here. I'll finish. I'll let this 5 minute candle finish. Whatever. I'll let the shenanigans shake out, whatever. Hopefully it shakes itself out, maybe pushes back down, but doesn't seem like it today. It seems like this might be a reversal back to the 20 EMA here. Right, the fact that this didn't push down further, now it's making me feel like it's going to be a big reversal spot here. I like this candle finish, but it's not looking good for me. Darn. Ah, annoying. Very annoying. Clear gap beneath the fill right here. Clear gap to fill right here, and that was worth a try to get to it. The market didn't want to give it to it, though. The market didn't want to give it to us. The market didn't want to give it to us. It feels like entry long here. One last try.
2,500 tick trap.
Doesn't quite get there. But I'll do it again if it does. Yikes. It doesn't even trigger. I got in like one tick early. Gonna pay the price for that one. Oh, yeah. Now this account's in shambles. We're up $1,000. Now the account's in shambles because of the diabolical price action here. I thought it was gonna trigger. I try to time, I try to time it, and obviously the timing is very difficult sometimes, and I just missed it by like a millisecond, and actually like I put it a little too early. Oh my gosh, that's sick, so sick. Like a beautiful signal bar to bounce off our trend line and 20 MA, and it doesn't actually trigger, and I got in a little too early. So sick. It might trigger now. So sick. These counts. These accounts are in shambles. Pandas. Now we are in the desperate zone here. One more trade. Why not? At this point, why not? It's a slippery slope, you know what I mean? It's a gosh darn slippery dippery slope. Do I just want to go long here? Stop fighting it. Just actually go the opposite way now. This is sick. Whatever's happening right now is so sick. Okay. Okay. Whatever the market is cooking up is so sick right now. What the markets are trying to cook up at the moment is so sick. No clue what's happening here. That's plain facts. I have no clue what's happening here. I've lost like the last 10 trades in a row. It's absolutely sick.
5-minute trap.
Spikes down too. Stupid. What am I supposed to do here? What am I supposed to do here? Wherever the market's cooking up right now is disgusting. It is disgusting right now. Where the market's cooking up, it is disgusting. Whatever the market's trying to cook up right now, it is absolutely just filthy. Takes you out and then pushes back up. Fine with me, I guess. Crazy, crazy, crazy. I don't know, pandas. We made like a $3,000, more than a $3,000 swing here. All right. I mean, I gotta try. I gotta try here. Thoughts and prayers. Thoughts and prayers, pandas. Gonna need them. Big time. Thoughts and prayers, pandas. I'm gonna need them right now. Give me all your thoughts and prayers. I'm gonna need every single thought and prayer right now, pandas. This is the one. This is the one. I'm gonna need all your thoughts and prayers right now, pandas. I need every single thought and prayer right now. Goodness gracious. Here
5-minute trap.
we go. Pandas, I need every thought and prayer right now for these accounts because we are going all in right now on this trade. And it is reversing on me. And it's going to destroy me. Pandas. I thought this was the one. I thought this was it. No! It's all good. It's all good. I thought, we tried. We tried. I thought this was it. I thought this was the big kahuna. I thought this was the big kahuna. Let's try to get the big kahuna here, pandas. One time. Big kahuna, one time. One time, big kahuna. And we are dead. If this triggers above here, we are just crushed to smithereens. In my opinion here. Yep, we're dead. All good. We tried. I don't know. I don't know if it's even worth reversing here. I don't know if it's worth reversing here, but we're dead. We're crushed to smithereens. What a good, beautiful reversal I should have taken. Wow, pandas! It just got diabolical right here. It got absolutely diabolical. So diabolical. Fail second entry long beneath the 20 EMA. I thought we were about to make a new low, but instead the market decides. I wanted this push up right now that we're getting over here. And we didn't get it, so I felt like, all right, I guess we're pushing down. So I decided to take the reversal instead. And we get crushed, pandas. We get absolutely crushed here. I mean, I took a big swing here and get demolished. Unfortunately, it's just how it goes sometimes, but it's all good. It was my one pro account that hasn't turned pro plus yet. And, man, unfortunately, the market just became diabolical. I was also looking for the 5-minute second entry short to trigger. Never does trigger. Instead, it just does this. Finally hits the target I thought it was going to hit back here. And it does a little fake out for me. It fakes me out completely right here with this fail second entry long beneath the 20 EMA. I thought we were. And it also triggers a second entry short on the 2500 tick chart coming off our trend line. And 20 EMA here. So I just had a lot of reasons to go short there big time, which is why I felt so confident. And plus clear targets beneath, which is the previous week's, or the gap created on the 5-minute chart needs to fill back down here. A lot of reasons to go short. Obviously, at that point, I was trading too big, 8 contracts. That was the killer. And yeah, I was up $1,500, now down $4,605. Let's just take a moment to take that in and figure out how in the world did that just happen. Pandas, it hurts. Like I could just be down like $1,000 today. Not 1,000. I could have been down like positive 1,000. That's when I said I was gonna end originally, but obviously it got the best of me. It got the best of me. It really did get the best of me here. And now these accounts are dead, so there's nothing I can do about it. I mean, there's nothing I can do. It is what it is. How about we take one trade on our Apex accounts today? We'll take one trade on our Apex accounts. Let's see. And then we'll end it. I need to get a trading date in anyways here. Okay, we're trading one Apex account. Or not one, we're trading our Apex accounts now. One contract. Higher low to finally touch this key area. Was that the trade I'm looking for? It's a question. Could be. Could be. Diabolical, pandas. Diabolical. Whew. I'll tell you right now, though, if I wasn't streaming, I would have ended a while back. I would have ended a long time. I would have ended it back when I just saw shenanigans like this. I would have ended it way back then. I would have ended a long time ago if I wasn't streaming. But the streaming, you're like, all right, gotta make some good profits for the pandas here. I would have ended a long time ago. I'll probably end it around 10:45. In fact, I said it a couple times, but the market kept beckoning me. I would have ended a long time ago if I wasn't streaming. Let's get it. It fails to hit the target again. It's absolutely diabolical. 2 times. Double tap off of it. Third attempt to try to touch this key area. Let's see if we get it here. Right, 3 pushes up now. 1, 2, 3. Third time's a charm. Let's see if we get it on that third attempt up. If not, maybe worth reversing here, but we'll see. Right, because now we got a triple top. Triple top here. We'll reverse it. Let's see what happens. If it doesn't hit the target, then we'll reverse it here. It is setting up stuff also for a second entry long, so I mean I could just get double whammed here. Right, now we got triple top. 3 pushes up, failing 3 times. 1, 2, 3. There's good reason to go short here. At least for a scalp, in my opinion here. Second entry long could be forming here. Maybe worth reversing it one more time for the second entry long, but not unsure. Triple top I thought would be the failure, but instead we're gonna go long here, see what happens. Last flip here. It's just a second entry long now. Plenty of overlapping bars, making this very sus. Who knows? Nobody knows, pandas. Nobody knows. We're in this trade. Last trade of the stream, regardless what happens here. Rarely do I see 4 pushes up fail. But if it happens, this will be one of the few times. Right, 4 attempts. 1, 2, 3, 4 attempts to hit a key area. Usually doesn't happen. But you know what? Today is the day where the usual doesn't happen. So just take the hit, move on. 4 attempts to hit a key area usually works out. Usually. But this time, okay, it does work out. It does hit the key area here. Technically doesn't hit it. Still missed it by a tick. Still missed it by a tick. Still missed it by a tick. So what can I say about that? Still missed it by a tick. Just waiting. Just waiting. Just waiting. Okay, hits the key area finally. Then reverses right off of it. I don't know, maybe I was being greedy. Maybe I just got it at the key area. But at this point, I want a little bit more now. Maybe getting a little greedy. Yep, greed kills. Bulls and bears make money, but pigs get slaughtered. Here we go. Bulls and bears make money, but pigs get slaughtered. We're about to get slaughtered here. Absolutely. It does hit the key area. Unfortunately, reverses right off of it. I thought it would break out a little bit, but we are just bouncing off of it like a beast right now. I'm just saying, the price action got diabolical right here. It's starting to get very diabolical in this area, and it just continues to be diabolical after that, afterwards. Right, just chop, push, chop, push.
5-minute trap.
2,500 tick trap.
Second just short finally triggers on the 5-minute chart. Why am I not ending the stream? I should just end it here. I'm down 175. I should just end it right now. I guess I'm still curious if we're going to fill the gap here. I'm still very curious if we fill the gap. We bounced off this area perfectly. Still curious if we're going to fill this gap down here. It's a second just short on the 5-minute chart. Simply all it is. Mid-air after a strong bull bar hitting on its high is crazy. Just watching. Wow, wow, wow. Unfortunate busting my accounts. I think the reason why I felt okay is because I'm getting 4 pro accounts. And I don't mind trading the 4 pro accounts, and having that one account that's not pro just, I guess, felt weird, and I felt okay to lose it. Doesn't make any sense, but I felt clearly like it was okay to risk that account. I think, yeah, I don't know, we'll see. It's quite a strong pullback, but maybe not as strong as you think. All right, we just keep making these double tops here. Double top here, triple top now at this point. At the same key area. Which is previous week's low. Are we in an uptrend or downtrend? It's very hard to tell at this point. Man. Okay, lower high triggers. Failsafe entry long would be a nice setup in my opinion here.
2,500 tick trap.
Failsafe entry long. Bouncing clearly off of a key area. But instead is an outside bar reversal, which is just diabolical. More congestion. I want to make some bamboo back, but this is very confusing price action. I was up 1,500 pandas. Like, I guess, another thing about it was I was up 1,500, but only on one account. So I just felt like, one account, 1,500, what's the big deal? You know what I mean? It's just one account. If it was like multiple accounts, then it'd be like a lot different, but it's just one account. Jeez Louise. I'll try. No, I missed trade. Shoot. Clear congestion, and I went short for some reason right there. I am losing it. This is not the day for me to trade. Like, I need to stop. Hard stop if I lose this trade. Pure congestion went short on the fail second entry long. Oh, at least I didn't get slippage. A little slippage was okay. Down 500. We'll end it there. I think the price action is just diabolical at this point. It's just very hard to trade. And we're gonna end it. We're gonna end on a loss. It's all good. Pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Remember, there's news tomorrow at 2 p.m. So the market could be even more diabolical in the morning, and maybe clear up after. Look at that. Look at this strong bull bar ending on tie. It just reverses. Like, if you're, if you're questioning if this is confusing or not, this should clear up all your questioning. This is confusing 1,000%. And unfortunately, it just became absolute mush when we started to get aggressive. It became absolute doo-doo-caca when we started getting aggressive to fill the gap down here. So diabolical, but you gotta learn how to trade these days, And you gotta learn quick when it turns diabolical. I had a sense of starting diabolical once I saw this nonsense. And I felt like things were gonna get really messy. And messy it did. Messy it got. So sick. So sick. Okay, last trade. One more trade here. Truly last trade of the stream. Truly last trade of this forsaken stream. Goodness gracious. Last single trade here. Last trade of this forsaken stream. We're going to do it right now. And it's not a short trade. It's a long trade. It should be long. All right, Pandas. I think we're done here. I'll see you guys bright tomorrow. This is just nonsense. Pandas, thanks for joining. Thanks for your support. And you know what? Please use code BBM because I'm going to need it today. Really need some funds to open up those new TPT accounts. I do appreciate you guys. Thanks for joining. As always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.